Everyone, today I'm unboxing a Influenster box, and it is the Marc Jacobs Youthquake. So I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, this is going to be my first Marc Jacobs products that I've actually ever tried, so I'm pretty excited. And then there's a card in here. Introducing Youthquake Hydra-Full Retexturizing Gel Cream, Marc Jacobs Beauty and Influenster. So it talks a little bit about the product. It says deep hydration, powerful pineapple enzymes, and your glowy complexion starts here. So pineapple, that sounds like it might smell good. So here is the product. It's an interesting shaped lid, kind of like a dome lid. I don't know if that's glass or really hard plastic. But yeah, it's sealed. Ooh, and it's yellow. It actually doesn't have much of a scent to it. I'll zoom you in. It looks really creamy. Nice. Can't wait to try that. Actually locks in place. So yeah, that is the product I'm going to be trying. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.